due to the upcoming demands of the customers, we had planned to upgrade our setup into a GL-29 KOMORI 5-color press.
Save almost 50 to 55% of manpower cost.
So we are able to achieve higher production in less time.
Faster deliveries.
We have noticed there are a lot of new features which we are enjoying right now.
Myself, Arvind Singhal, Founder Director, Square Vision India Private Limited.
And myself, Singhal, Director, Operations and Business Development, Square Vision India Private Limited.
I started my printing journey in 1978 and gradually we moved to offset printing in 1983, and in 1998 we moved towards packaging of pharma. There onwards, we are in this field of pharma packaging since 1998, and in 1998 this company was formed in the name of Square Vision India Private Limited in July 1998.
Initially, we started our packaging business with manufacturing cartons for pharmaceutical industry. But with time, as we have grown, we have diversified our business into pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, FMCGs, and also a lighting industry. Till now, we have been working with all old and refurbished machines. But with the passing years, what we have noticed is, due to the upcoming demands of the customers, we had planned to upgrade our setup into a GL-29 KOMORI 5-color press.
Because of the demand of the customers for faster deliveries and accurate printing, we opted for a GL-529 of KOMORI. Since the installation of KOMORI in June 25, there has been a noticeable difference in the quantity and quality of our products, which we have been regularly supplying to our customers, and the complaints have dropped to nearly zero.
The installation with the KOMORI team is very quick and fast. They already know their all prerequisites and they have coordinated with our team very well. So in total, the experience of installing a new KOMORI was very good with us. The overall engineers who have visited us, what we have felt were very good, and they knew everything, how to do, and a good amount of training has been provided to our employees who are very much satisfied with the services. And also the sales staff and the service team, the service head are very polite and humble, and I think we have had a very good experience during the installation process. And I will again repeat myself, it was a quick process. We didn't feel any problem and any hassles there. With the installation of this new KOMORI GL-529, we have noticed there are a lot of new features which we are enjoying right now, like faster turnaround time, and also due to the higher speed of the machine, we are able to close the job in very less time. And also because our printing industry is more labor intensive, so this machine requirement of manpower is much less than what we were having in our old machines.
This enables us to save almost 50 to 55% of the manpower cost because of the faster, higher speed, faster make ready and turnaround time. So this enables us to save around approximately 50 to 55% of the labor cost.
My suggestion to our fellow printers would be that they can definitely opt for KOMORI GL-529 or any other model of KOMORI, because what we have experienced till now is that our lead times have been reduced significantly, and also we are able to achieve higher production in less time.
During the last 3 decades, we have been using old and refurbished offset machines for packaging purpose. In 2024, we opted for a brand new KOMORI GL-529, and till date, it has been a very satisfying and good experience working with KOMORI.